Here we've got a 2016 Suzuki Grand Vitara. As you can see there, 2016, and we're going to do the cabin filter replacement. In this car, the cabin filter is located behind the glove box. What you're going to have to do, take the glove box like that, and from here, push in on this side, push in on that side, and the glove box just comes out like so. Now the cabin filter is located right behind this housing here. So the way you're going to take this housing off is the little latch on this side, pull it loose, and then this side just comes out. That's the latch there, and the cabin filter is located right here. So simply just pull it out, and replace it with the new one. And here we've got both cabin filters. You can see the difference, new one and old one. Old one is infested with dirt and leaves, and it's very bad. So the way we put this in is literally slide it straight in like so. The new cabin filter is installed. You just put this cover back on, just clip straight over, push it in, and just put the glove box back in. Notice this latch on that side has to connect onto here, and the same with the other side. So that's pushed in. Now you just push down to make sure it's clipped in. Fix up everything here. And the glove box just closes right up. So thanks for watching, and hope this video helped.